Hello everyone, welcome to day 4 of Titanic Week. Today, for Titanic on her dreadful maiden voyage, the coal fire that had been smouldering in Boiler Room 5 had finally been put out. Around 5,000 tons of coal were moved from that smouldering coal bunker and moved to the starboard side, which gave her the starboard side list, because that's a lot of coal being moved to one side. Now this is the day that also one of a poor unfortunate passenger on board in the first class area slipped on the freshly cleaned grand staircase and broke her arm. So she had to be taken to the ship's doctor and getting her arm bandaged up and fixed. Now the doctor did it so quick that she was able to go back to dinner and get bantered on by her fellow passengers. That would have been a bit embarrassing, I think. But that is it for Titanic Week Day 3. Or 4, sorry. Silly me. Day 4 of Titanic Week. Titanic's sailing along fine. Nothing is going too wrong. She's now just got that little starboard list. But also, forgot to mention, she's sped up. The engines have sped up. She's going now 22 knots. Which is impressive. Titanic wasn't designed to be quick. And she still didn't have all her boilers lit at this time. She was going above her intended speed, well, her estimated speed. And passengers and crew were starting to firmly believe they'd get into New York a day early. Which is impressive, because she was only meant to do 21 knots. Not bad for a ship her size to be going above her estimated speed limit. But that is it for Titanic Week Day 4. I will see you all next time on her last day. See you then.